Wheels and tires. Ito na siguro ang halos isa sa pinag-uusapang topic sa ating car community. Ano nga bang style at specs dapat? Ano ba ang mga bagay na dapat i-consider? Lahat yan ay i-discuss natin on today's video. So stick around, sit back and relax, and watch the video. Now, before we proceed, huge shout out to the following vloggers: Ride You Like PH, Pinoy Adventurista, and PJ Hernandez na nag-share ng kanilang mga footage for this video. So, please visit their channel as they have lots of videos about cars and our very own Honda Brio. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. As I've mentioned earlier, we will discuss important things about getting the right wheels for your car. Getting an aftermarket wheels can really improve the visual appearance and performance of any car. Kumbaga sa damit ng tao, ito ay ang ating sapatos na usually pinakauna na napapansin sa ating pananamit. Now, pag pumunta ka sa kahit saang wheel and tire shop, napakaraming options. Pero ano ba ang dapat mo i-consider pag bibili tayo ng bagong mags? Ano nga ba ang tamang wheel size? Ano nga ba ang tamang offset? Anong tire ang kailangang gamitin? And so on and so forth. So hope this video will help you understand all the things about wheels and tires. Now, this is the Brio's reserve tires. I no longer have the stock wheels dahil nagpalit agad ako ng mags paglabas ng sasakyan mula sa kasa. Usually, ang tawag nila dito ay donut tires, pero nung nakita ko ang stock wheels ng Brio CVT ng aming kapitbahay, same ang kanilang specification. Now, this is what a donut tire would look like. Mas payat siya compared sa regular tire, and ang purpose talaga niya is just to let your car drive to the nearest tire repair shop. Okay, let's focus on the details of the tires. Ano-ano ba yung mga important numbers na nakalagay sa sidewall ng tires? Let's go ahead and discuss them one by one. Let's start sa pinaka standout na numbers sa may side. As you can see, we have 175/65 R14 82T. Yung 175 is the width or lapad ng tires. It means 175 millimeters ang kanyang lapad from sidewall to sidewall. Yung 65 naman is the sidewall profile or aspect ratio ng tire. It means 65% ng lapad ng tires yung size ng kanyang sidewall. So magdedepende ang sidewall profile sa lapad ng tires. Yung R14 naman is yung size ng diameter ng butas ng tire. Ito ang basis kung anong size ng mags ang kakasya sa mismong tire. Yung 82 naman ay ang load index or maximum weight na kaya i-handle ng tire. So yung 82 is equivalent to 1,047 pounds or 475 kilos. Now, the letter T is the speed rating. It is the maximum speed na kaya i-handle ng tire. So, sa tire natin is letter T, which is equivalent to 189.9 kilometers per hour. We also have this what we call the dot code. This is the tire's ID number, and the most important part of this is the last 4 digits dahil ito ang manufacturing date ng tire. So sa ating tire nakalagay ay 3419, so it means manufactured siya noong ika-34th week of 2019. So if you will check the calendar, na manufacture ang ating tires anywhere between August 19 to August 25 of 2019. Now if you look at the sidewall, there are other smaller details such as thread type, composition, and where it was made. Now let's discuss about the wheel or the mag wheels. So right now, sa sample natin, we have what we call the steelies. Usually, makikita natin siya sa mga sasakyan, and most of the time, it uses hubcaps to make it more aesthetically appealing. Normally, if you look at the side of the wheels, merong mga naka-engrave na numbers. So here we have 14 by 5J. So it means 14 inches is the size of the wheel diameter, and the width or lapad niya is 5 inches wide. Now the J is a code just to let us know how the lip of the wheels are contoured. So you can check this diagram for your visual comparison. Now, alam na natin ang size ng diameter and width ng ating wheels. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang offset. So, yung offset is the measurement of the distance ng hub mounting from the center of the wheel. So, imagine that there's a line at the center. So, yan ang 0 offset. If yung mounting surface ay nasa side palabas, it means it has positive offset. So, pag in-install mo siya, it will make your wheels go inward or papasok sa fender. Now, if the mounting surface naman ay papunta sa loob, it means it has negative offset and it will make your wheels go outward or palabas ng fender. Itong sample natin is positive 45 offset. So from the center, yung mounting surface natin will measure about 45 millimeters going to the positive side. Now the last thing to consider is the bolt pattern. This is the layout of the mounting holes ng ating wheels. It is commonly known as pitch circle diameter or PCD for short. Sa ating Brio, we have a PCD of 4 by 100 or 4 holes by 100 mm. Now let's jump over to our aftermarket wheels, our XXR 527. So this is our Brio's first modification. The day na nilabas namin from Honda ang aming Brio, dumiretso na kami sa Megabats Tire Center para i-install ang aming pre-ordered mags para sa aming Brio. This is the XXR 527 concave and ang size niya is 15 by 8.25. So mas malapad siya compared sa stock ng Brio RS, which is 15 by 6. If you look at the back of the wheels, you will see naka-emboss doon yung size. So here we have 15 by 8.25J. So this is actually a great way to check the actual size of your wheels if you are not familiar with the specifications. Now, we used the stock tires ng RS dahil fit naman siya. Now, the RS tires has 185/55 R15 82V Bridgestone Potenza RE030. And when you look at the dot code, it shows 2719. It was manufactured on 27th week of 2009. As you see, dahil malapad ang wheels natin, slightly stretched ang ating tires. Ang ideal tire size ay 205/50 or 225/45. So since brand new naman ang ating tires, so we decided na gamitin na lang muna siya, but definitely we will get the appropriate size maybe after 2 or 3 years pag mag-upgrade na tayo or magpapalit na ng bagong tires. Now, this wheel's offset is 0. So it means it mounts at the center of the wheel. So this is a good example of universal 4 holes PCD. So it has 2 PCD patterns, which is 4 by 100 and 4 by 114 PCD. And karamihan sa mga light cars or small cars has 4 by 100 PCD. Now, we have a bonus topic. So, this is the lug nuts option. So, syempre, pag bago ang sapatos, dapat bago rin ang medyas. So, most of the times, pag nag-upgrade tayo ng mags, ino-offer sa atin ng mga tire shop na magpalit na rin ng lug nuts. There's actually a reason kung bakit. Now, here is the stock lug nuts. So, technically, pwede natin siya gamitin sa ating aftermarket wheels. Pero ang issue dito ay masyado siyang maigsi and may possibility na tumama at gumasgas ang ating wrench pag ginamit natin. So here's a quick demo and makikita natin na halos nakadikit ang wrench sa mismong mags natin. Now this is a good example of aftermarket lug nuts. It has the same stock specs of 12mm by 1.5mm and this is made out of steel. And meron siyang kasamang hex key adapter which adds security dahil hindi mo maaalis ang lug nuts pag wala nito. So always make sure na lagi mo siya dala kasama ng basic tools mo. Now if you take a look, malayo ang wrench sa surface ng mags. So maliit ang chances na magagasgasan mo siya. Now personally, I'm using this raised bullet type lug nuts. It is better visually because of course of the neochrome color, and meron din siyang adapter para hindi rin dumikit ang ating wrench sa mismong mags. Like the hex key, malayo din ang mismong wrench sa surface ng mags. Okay, so now let's go ahead and mount this wheel into our car. So dito halos mapapansin nyo na nakalabas ang tires natin for about like 2 or 3 inches na nakalabas siya sa may fenders. So it's a good thing that we installed a wide body fenders para mas less ang talsik ng tubig sa side ng body ng sasakyan. Now when putting lug nuts, always make sure to follow the cross pattern. This is para ma-ensure na pantay ang pagkakalapat ng ating mags. So do the same pattern kapag hihigpitan mo na ang mga lug nuts. Okay, so actually we're done. So now we can drop our car down. Alright guys, so I hope may nakuha tayong knowledge sa video na to to help you decide on your mags upgrade. So I also have a chart here with recommended tire size if magpapalit ka into 14, 15, 16, or 17 size na mags. But please take note, recommended options lang ito based sa stock specs ng ating Brio. So meaning pwede siya mag-iba depende sa sasakyan, depende sa offset ng mags, at sa suspension setup ng inyong sasakyan. But I hope this guide will somehow help you to see what are your possible tire options. Please let me know if I missed anything on this video and feel free to ask questions sa comment section below. Once again, this is Dan of CARBITS. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for always supporting my channel. So please be healthy, drive safe, and God bless. And I'll see you on our next video.